Bhagat Hospital launches a unique, state-of-the-art, comprehensive healthcare and medical facility for people in need right at their doorstep. Suraksha is a revolutionary concept in domiciliary healthcare that takes care of all non-emergency health-based requirements of elderly, young and recovering. If you are worried about patient care at home, need regular checkups for old parents or require post-operative care and physiotherapy etc., you can now simply call our helpline number 70-116-336. Our trained staff and Suraksha Healthcare vans will be dispatched for your homes right away. Suraksha Domiciliary Health Services also offer facilities like lab tests, BP, ECG, post-op wound care, dressings, change of catheters, change of Ryle's tube, X-rays, physiotherapy, examination by registered medical officers, general patient care and recovery care among others. Suraksha also provides trained paramedical and nurse staff on 12 or 24-hour basis.
Suraksha domiciliary healthcare services have been designed to keep your requirement of those patients who are difficult to move to the hospital for getting medical help. Such a situation may be because of old age, absence of attendant, or maybe by the type of surgery or at the stage of the disease. We have designed these services keeping your requirement in mind, and we hope that you will be and your patients will be benefited because of these services.
There are many patients who find it difficult to reach hospital for reasons of old age, disability, lack of support, lack of attendance, and often post-operative patients need long-term care. These people require medical support, but for the above-mentioned reasons, they at times get neglected. Patients with spinal cord injuries and fractures also require special attention and minimum shifting. There is another important category called end-of-life care, where the disease is in terminal stage and a dignified health care is required. In all these cases, Suraksha Helpline acts as a lifesaver. Dr. C.M. Bhagat started Suraksha in the fond memory of his mother, Mrs. Suraksha Bhagat. Our equipped medical and healthcare mobile vans, along with trained medical personnel, will take care of all your concerns. Suraksha services are punctual, reliable, and our trained staff will leave you completely satisfied with patient care. The medical technicians, home care staff, and everyone else at Suraksha who visits your home goes through stringent training in patient care, etiquettes, and background checks to ensure a hassle-free experience for patients and their families. Suraksha vans are currently operational in Janakpuri, Dwarka, Palam, and adjoining areas, and will soon be extended to other neighbouring areas as well. Suraksha services serve all your primary home-based healthcare needs. Bhagat Hospital, that will not only reduce your stress by saving time, energy and effort, but also give you and your family complete peace of mind and satisfaction to achieve speedy recovery and complete health for your loved ones. So dial 70-111-6336 for medical services at home. Suraksha, quality healthcare services at your home.